I'm going to talk about water. Water, probably the most important thing in life next to air and breathing. Breathing, of course, is controlled by CO2, and light, the sun. It's talking about the basics of life. And I wrote a book, I don't even know how many years ago, called Water Medicine. Full hydration is very important. And the best way to check your hydration levels is to look at your urine. The darker it is, the more dehydrated you are. The lighter it is, the more hydrated. And if it's clear, you're 100% hydrated. But I want to specifically talk about water as a medicine. And basically, there are two competing ideas these days. One is hydrogen water, and the other is magnesium bicarbonate water. Oh, I don't know, maybe 9 years ago, companies started sending me hydrogen tablets to make hydrogen water. I did that for about 2 years, did nothing for me until I switched to hydrogen inhalation. And you cannot compare hydrogen inhalation with hydrogen water. You get so much more hydrogen through inhalation. Even using what I would call a weak machine, which to me is 900 ml per minute, almost a liter a minute. Now I'm using a 3-liter machine. No comparison. So if you're going to utilize hydrogen, better to use it in inhalation than in your water. Though most hydrogen machines can also make your water. But I would never bother, and don't bother anymore, with hydrogen water. The best water in the world is magnesium bicarbonate water. It was discovered by a chiropractor in Australia, of all places, because he was mystified that his cattle were living longer than anybody else's cattle. And it took him a few years to discover why. That the water they were drinking was very rich in hydrogen, in magnesium and bicarbonate. Magnesium bicarbonate water, which you can make yourself at home, using magnesium hydroxide, which is the active form of magnesium in Phillips milk of magnesia. And you get a soda machine to put gas, CO2 gas in. You can make it yourself. Magnesium bicarbonate is the best form of magnesium. Might not be the strongest, but it's the best. And it's the best form of bicarbonates because they're both in ionic form. Magnesium has always been number one on my protocol. It's the most basic element or mineral responsible for life on this planet. Firstly, in the form of the central atom in chlorophyll, enabling plants to suck up CO2 and make oxygen and make food. And then again in the body, in the exact same chemical ring in red blood cells that you have in hemoglobin, but instead of having magnesium, we now have iron. The molecule itself is only changed by the central atom. Magnesium bicarbonate, it's, you have to make it. You can buy a concentrate. A company in Florida makes a concentrate. There's a company in Europe that sells magnesium bicarbonate bottled water. If you're trying to treat serious disease, your water is important. Though, if you have cancer or diabetes or other very serious chronic conditions, It's probably not enough just to drink magnesium bicarbonate water. You need to take magnesium in other forms, also using transdermal, different pills, taking baths, and you might need to use sodium bicarbonate and potassium bicarbonate. If you're very acidic, you need the extra help. But as a baseline, and talking about water as a medicine, it's magnesium bicarbonate.
If you want to go deeper with me, follow me on Substack. You can join for free and receive my newsletters and weekly videos, or become a paid subscriber to access all my exclusive content. The link is in the description.